I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 141, and we're going to be talking about the residential property and owner's disclosure. It's called the RPOD. It's part 3 in our 12-part series on listing your home for sale. That spring market is right around the corner, and this series is going to give you all the information you need to be ready. A disclosure is simply a legal document that gives pertinent information to interested parties. This form is filled out by the seller and presented to the buyers. Typically, all residential sales require this disclosure, even if for sale by owner, and it must be filled out by the seller. As your agent, I can advise and guide you, but I can't answer the questions for you. This form gives the age of systems and asks of any known issues such as leaks, septic problems, HOA information, additions to the home, and non-permitted spaces. It gives a great deal of information that may be of concern to any potential buyers. There are 3 possible answers, and you must be truthful in those answers for each question. Misrepresentation is a big deal that carries legal implications. Answer yes, no, or no representation. No representation is because North Carolina is a caveat emptor state. Basically means buyer beware. And if you say no representation, you're saying I'm not saying either way, and the buyer should take the responsibility for discovering information for themselves. As a licensed agent, I am held to a higher standard. If I know or reasonably should have known that there's an issue, I have to disclose that. No representation is simply not an option for me. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. And of course, I'm on most popular social media sites like Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.